Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your Binance preferences. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your Binance preferences or customize your Binance app, you can open the Binance app at very first, and after that you just simply have to tap into this mini Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap there, and after tapping into there, you will get to see this gear option into the top right corner. By selecting that gear icon, you can select a lot of settings such as general, appearance, payment and others. By selecting all of these generals and appearance section, you can easily customize your preferences into Binance application. Just simply select each preferences such as notification preference, currency language, withdrawal address and many more. This way you can easily change your Binance preference or customize the application. And if you need guide for each one, you can follow our channel and check it into the channel. This way you can easily change your customizations. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.